This is the worst crash I've ever seen.
3 occupants, 17-year-old female still breathing.
A car crash claimed 2 young lives and injured a third early yesterday morning.
This is the best friend group that I've ever had in my life.
We had just graduated high school. Dom and Kenzie.
I love you, baby.
They're such a duo.
I was Davion's best friend, and we were gonna be unstoppable.
That split second changed all of our lives forever.
It didn't add up. It was hard to comprehend that she could just drive into a wall.
I would never see her purposely wanting to hurt them.
This was clearly a toxic relationship. We needed to get a full picture of who Mackenzie Shirilla was.
You can go yourself.
The most significant piece of evidence, there was no break-in. This was not an accident. What took place inside that car?